Ryan with Pyle. Today I'm going to go over setup and features for Pyle's wireless backup camera monitor system. So there are actually two very similar products, the only difference being the screen size. So you can either get the 3.5 inch screen or the 4.3 inch screen. So here are all the parts that come with the kit. So here we have the window suction cup. This is the power for the camera. It's going to actually have to be wired directly into your reverse taillight or ignition circuit. Here's the screen itself. The back part mounts onto the suction cup. The license plate camera. High quality metal, adjustable. Here's the wireless transmitter that's going to send the video signal from the backup camera to the screen up front. So we're here at the trunk of my car. First thing we're going to do is going to install the reverse camera back here. So I've already pulled out the little stubs holding the covering so I can access the wiring. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to feed the camera wires right through this little hole in the trunk and mount it onto my license plate. It didn't come with a kit, but I picked up two little splicers. It's going to make my life a little bit easier wiring into the existing wiring. So here we're going to hook in the reverse camera to the reverse tail light. For my car it's going to be this blue wire and the black for the ground. So then I got my little wires spliced up. I'm just going to plug the plug back into the receptor. Snap it tight. So what you want to do is before you hook up the transmitter to the camera, you want to run the wire through your opening here. And pull it through on the other side. And you can snap the transmitter into place. Once you're ready, you can power up the transmitter. Last step is to tuck everything away. So they give you a bit of wire here for the receiver. I'm just going to tuck mine up inside here. So the camera's just going to mount right over the bolts on your license plate. So all you need to do is get a wrench, pull it off, and then put the camera under and put the bolt back on over top. It'll hold it right in place. Once you've done that, you can pull the rest of the wire up through the trunk and make it nice and clean. Now we're going to run through the setup in the front. The great thing about this system is the simplicity. Two wires in the back, nothing in the front. We got the cigarette lighter. So the cigarette lighter is going to go right into the car socket wherever you have one. We got a window suction cup mount. This is going to affix just to the back of the screen like so. And there we are, I got it right on the window here. So what I'll do later on, I'm going to tuck this wire up behind the molding here to hide it. So now that we're all set up, we'll give you guys a little demo here. So currently I am in drive, so no signal is coming from the camera. So when I pop it into reverse, camera comes right up. You can see the distance scale lines. I gotta aim that a little bit better, align it with the floor. It's gonna give me a great idea of how far the things behind me are. So there's actually two video inputs, potential for another camera. And you'll be able to toggle between them on the button here. And as you can see, on and off.